Don't fret about it. Mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common phrase you might have heard: fret about something. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of expressing concerns in English. So, let's not fret about the complexity and dive right in. First things first, let's break down the word fret. To fret means to be worried or anxious about something. It's a verb that captures the feeling of unease about a situation or a potential outcome. When you fret, you're not just thinking about something casually. You're dwelling on it with a sense of concern or distress. Now, when we add about something to fret, we specify what is causing this worry or anxiety. Saying, "I'm fretting about the exam," clearly communicates that the exam is the source of worry. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, whether they're personal, professional, or academic. Let's put our phrase into action. Using fret about something in sentences helps convey your feelings accurately. Here are a few examples. She's always fretting about her grades, even though she's a top student. There's no need to fret about the details. We'll figure it out. I've been fretting about this interview all week. Notice how the phrase elevates the sentence by adding a layer of emotion and concern, making the expression richer and more nuanced. It's always great to have alternatives in your linguistic toolbox. Instead of always saying fret, you might want to use synonyms like worry, agonize, stew, or stress. These words can add variety to your speech or writing and help you express the intensity of your feelings more accurately. Worry is a more general term and can be used in most situations where fret is appropriate. Agonize implies a deeper level of distress. Stew is a more informal term, often used in casual conversation. Stress conveys a strong sense of concern, often related to pressure or high stakes. And there you have it. We hope this exploration of fret about something has been enlightening and adds a valuable phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is a tool for expression, and understanding these nuances allows you to communicate more effectively and empathetically. Don't fret about using it perfectly. Practice makes progress. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.